Hi boys and girls. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to be working with and learning about some shapes. Today we will identify 5 shapes. The circle, triangle, rectangle, square, and a hexagon. We are going to talk about how each shape is different. We're going to talk about their sides and their vertices. Wow, what does vertices mean? Vertices is a corner of something. So let's start with the simple one. Today we're going to start with a circle. A circle could be nice and big, and I'm just going to tape these up here so we can refer back to them. A circle. A circle has how many sides? It only has one. It never stops, right? It just keeps going. Does the circle have any vertices, any corners? Nope. No corners. Next, we're going to talk about the triangle. The triangle has, wow, good job. It has 3 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the triangle right underneath our circle. And let's number these sides. We've got 1 side, 2 sides, and 3 sides. So how many sides does the triangle have? 3. And that pen doesn't show up very well, but hopefully you can see those. And I can see that a triangle also has some points, some vertices, some corners. So let's count them. This is 1. Right here is 2, and over here is 3. So how many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. And how many vertices, how many points does a triangle have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's move on to the next shape. We are going to now look at the, oh, it's hid. We're going to look at the rectangle. The rectangle, let's look at it. Wow, it has some vertices. I see some vertices, and I see some sides. So let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And let's see the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the difference between a triangle and a rectangle is a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, 4 corners, and a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners. And our next shape is a square. Ms. Thompson's going to put it right here. And let's look at this square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I thought we said that rectangles have 4 sides. Well, squares do too. Let's look at the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have 4 vertices. But what do you notice different about a rectangle and a triangle? The length of the sides. All the sides are the same. So I'm going to write all sides the same. So all sides in a square are the same. And our last shape today that we are going to talk about and learn about a little bit is called a hexagon. Oh, I should have put this in a different color. I wasn't thinking when I cut these out. But we'll put it right here in the middle so some words can kind of see. So let's look at this hexagon. It has 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. Does anything else have 6 sides? No, we don't have any conflicts with that. So let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So a hexagon has 6 vertices. So we said this was a circle. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle because its sides are not equal. And this is a square because the sides are equal. And I'm going to circle square on there because that's the name of it. We have a lot of things wrote on there. And then we have a hexagon. Okay, boys and girls, those are the 4 shapes that I'd like for you to find around home. Now, some shapes can be bigger and smaller. So I have one more example, so I'm going to show you quickly. Where does this go? Not 4 sides, not 6, but 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 points. So I'm going to stick it here with my triangle because remember, they can look different. They can be a little bit different. Now in my kitchen, I have some napkins, and my napkins are, yes, thank you, they are square. And I'm going to hang this up right underneath my square so that you can still see square. And I told you on Monday, we talked a little bit about things around our house and the shapes and being 2D and 3D. And today's shapes are all 2D. They're flat. Remember, I can lay them in my hand. This card right here, it's got 4 sides. It's got 4 vertices, but it's got different lengths. So I'm going to put it up here with my rectangle. And then I didn't have anything that could be a hexagon. So I also cut out a hexagon out of paper. So you should have used this one maybe for the example. It has 6 sides. It's just large. And then I also had another small piece of paper that I used, just a regular piece of writing paper. And I have another example of circles. So remember, the shape can be bigger, smaller. It can be something in your house or not something in your house. Like I had a tissue that's square and I had a playing card that's a rectangle. I also might not be able to find anything that's these shapes, so I might have to cut it out of paper. Please go ahead and make a hexagon, a rectangle, a circle, a square, and a triangle out of something around your home. You can use paper, you could use an old newspaper. It doesn't have to be a nice piece of construction paper or your writing paper. It could be some old work that you did that your mom said wasn't good enough and made you redo. You can cut that paper up. So use your imagination and have fun and make lots of shapes today. Have a great day, and I'll see you in a few days. Thank you very much.